name is KRISHNA, and I have done my engineering back in my University in the year of 21, and I am from CS background. So I have taken up this course in a month of April, where I have done a full stack development, and have completed my course all over here. And I got a company placed, company called HL Clemo. It's based on the car, and package is 5 LPA, and joining will be in 2 days, and I'm very happy for that. And here I have a lot of good experience where all the faculties are very nice to me and very friendly, and it was very informative to go to the class, and it was very good. And preparation from the placement side also was very good. So it's not to so like I'll suggest to wait and have patience to keep up with this, and I suggest all my friends where no matter what, in which background you are, whatever the branches you are, and still you can get placed in the IT department, where you have to keep some patience and have a good try. And like I just wish you all the best.